Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this method we see the object oriented programming concept, that is the special method. Okay, so special method allows us to use some built-in operations in Python such as the length function or the print function with our own user created object. To get an idea of how this all work, so let's see the one example. So first we'll give the one title, the special methods. Okay, so here we see the two special methods, length and print function. Okay, so see here, first we create the one list. So this is my list 1 2 3. Okay, then see the length of my list is that 3. Okay, so total number of elements in that list is 3. Next we create the one class sample. Okay, then there is a no statement, so that's why here we use the pass statement. Okay, then see the one instance of this class my pass is equal to sample. Okay, then see here length of my pass means here we find the length of the instance of a class. See here, this is an error because we cannot find the length of any instance of a class or the length of any object of a class. Okay, similarly print my pass. See here, this is your underscore main, this is your sample object storing in this memory location. Okay, so question arises, how am I able to actually use the built-in Python function such as length or print with my own user defined object? So these special methods are called as the magic methods or done there method because they use the double underscore work in the following manner. So see the one example. So this is my class name is that the book. Okay, then there is a init method, parameter self, then title, author, okay, then pages. So self dot title is equal to title, again self dot author is equal to author, again self dot pages is equal to pages. Okay, now we create the instance of this book class b equal to book. Okay, see my book name is that the Python rocks. Okay, so author is that for example Nilesh, then number of pages for example 200. See here we create the one instance, then see print b. If you print the instance of a class, same here we see the previous one. So book object store in this memory location. Okay, then again str of b, and see here same output, but this output is in a string data type. Okay, so add the one function in this class. See here my function is that the underscore str. Okay, so parameter is that the self. Okay, so if there is ever the any function that asks for the string representation of your the book class, then it's going to return whatever this method which is defined here. So this is the magic method. See here the return. So use the f string f colon, then self dot name, first self dot title by self dot author. Okay, see here after running this code, again create the one instance. See here print b. See here my output is that Python rocks by Nilesh. See here str of b, Python rock by Nilesh. Okay, so this is the magic method. We define our the own string method. Similarly we add the length function. See here first first we see the length of B. See here, there is an error. Again, going to this class, we add the one function underscore underscore len, then underscore self. Here we return the number of pages. So self dot pages. Rerun this code. See here, length of B. Again we create the instance of this class. Again we rerun, length of B is that the 200. Okay, so these are the some special methods. Here we create the own created functions. Okay, so double underscore is the syntax part used before and the after of this str and the alien name. Okay, so this method is called as the special method or the magic method. See, the one more function is that when you want to delete the instance of a book class, see here, for example del B. Okay, see here, there is a no message. So if you try to print the B, see here, there is an error, name B is not found, because here we delete an instance of a B. Now if you want to print the one error message or one the user defined message, then see here, add the one del function. See here, def underscore underscore del underscore underscore self. Here we use the one message print book object destroy. Okay, so see here, rerun again. So print B, Python rocks, again length 200, delete B. See here, book object is destroy. Again, if you want to print B, then name B is not defined, because here there is a message book object is destroy. Okay, so students, test this code on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.